Welcome, dear friend, to this enchanting nighttime adventure. Learn English while sleeping, most common spoken phrases. Get perfectly comfortable. Let your pillow cradle your head like a soft cloud. Feel the blanket hug you with warm, loving arms. Take a slow, deep breath in. Fill your whole body with peace, and exhale every last worry from the day. Another breath, even deeper, and release. Wonderful. You're already drifting so beautifully. Tonight, as you sink into the deepest, most healing sleep, your mind is wide open and eager, ready to soak up the most common spoken English phrases that real native speakers use every single day. These are the magical words that make conversations feel alive, easy, and truly connected. Close your eyes and imagine waking up tomorrow, opening your mouth, and these phrases flowing out smoothly, naturally, like they've always been yours. You sound confident, relaxed, completely fluent. That transformation is already happening right now, while you rest. No effort at all. Just listen softly, relax completely, and let these powerful real-life phrases become part of your dreams. Ready? Let's dive into this peaceful magic together. Section 1. Everyday greetings and small talk. Picture yourself strolling down a sunny street filled with smiling people. Someone familiar waves and walks over. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? You smile back easily. Not much, you? Not much, you? They ask warmly, how's everything? How's everything? You feel great and reply, pretty good, thanks. Pretty good, thanks. Curious and friendly. What's new with you? What's new with you? You laugh lightly. Same old, same old. Same old, same old. A deeper catch-up. How have you been? How have you been? Full of energy. I've been great. I've been great. As you part, catch you later. Catch you later. And with care, take care. Take care. Feel that easy warmth spreading through you. These casual greetings are now flowing naturally inside your heart. You're relaxing deeper and deeper, and English is pouring into your dreams like warm honey. So beautiful. Let's continue this magic. Section 2. Agreeing, disagreeing, and opinions. Imagine sitting in a cozy cafe with good friends, laughing over coffee and sharing thoughts. Someone shares an idea. I totally agree. I totally agree. You nod enthusiastically. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. It clicks perfectly. That makes sense. That makes sense. Gently questioning. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. Showing respect. I see your point. I see your point. Curiosity sparks. That's interesting. That's interesting. Full support. I think so too. I think so too. Open-minded. Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. Playful surprise. No way. No way. Light disagreement. I don't think so. I don't think so. Your opinions now sound confident, natural, and completely native. Feel that power growing softly. Section 3. Asking for opinions and suggestions. See yourself in a fun group chat or casual meeting, everyone brainstorming together with excitement. You turn to a friend. What do you reckon? What do you reckon? Ideas flowing. Any ideas? Any ideas? Seeking wisdom. What would you do? What would you do? Open for input. Got any suggestions? Got any suggestions? Including everyone. How about you? How about you? Something sounds fun. Sounds good to me. Sounds good to me. Ready to join. I'm down for that. I'm down for that. Adventurous spirit. Why not? Why not? Deciding together. Let's do it. Let's do it. Enthusiastically. I'm in. I'm in. You're already sounding like the most natural, confident speaker in the room. Breathe deeply now. Feel your body melting into pure peace. You are safe. You are learning effortlessly. English is wrapping around you like a warm blanket, loving you back. Section 4. Expressing feelings and reactions. Feel your emotions come alive in a lively conversation. Laughter, surprise, joy filling the air. Something exciting happens. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Pure delight. That's awesome. That's awesome. Perfect fit. Sounds perfect. Sounds perfect. A little vulnerability. I'm a bit nervous. I'm a bit nervous. Keeping perspective. No big deal. No big deal. Bursting with laughter. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. Genuine curiosity. Oh, really? Oh, really? Wanting more. Tell me more. Tell me more. Total shock. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Playful disbelief. You're kidding. You're kidding. Your feelings now dance freely in perfect English. So alive, so real, so you. Section 5. Polite requests and offers. Imagine everyday moments glowing with kindness. At dinner, on a train, with friends. At the table, could you pass the salt? Could you pass the salt? Finding a seat. Mind if I sit here? Mind if I sit here? Needing a hand. Would you mind helping? Would you mind helping? Being generous. Can I get you anything? Can I get you anything? Offering support. Want some help? Want some help? Easy agreement. Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem. Warm willingness. I'd be happy to. I'd be happy to. Thoughtful care. Let me know if you need anything. Let me know if you need anything. Courteous gesture. After you. After you. Friendly invitation. Help yourself. Help yourself. These words make you sound kind, polite, and irresistibly fluent. Feel that gentle glow. Section 6. Time, plans, and invitations. Picture fun weekend plans forming, texting friends, making exciting arrangements. Checking in. What are you up to this weekend? What are you up to this weekend? Casual curiosity. Got any plans? Got any plans? Friendly invite. Wanna hang out? Wanna hang out? Keeping connection. We should catch up soon. We should catch up soon. Checking availability. Are you free later? Are you free later? Simple suggestion. Let's grab coffee. Let's grab coffee. Positive response. Sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan. Keeping options open. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. Staying updated. Keep me posted. Keep me posted. Excited commitment. Count me in. Count me in. Your social life in English is already blooming, easy, fun, and completely natural. Section 7. Casual goodbyes and check-ins. Feel the warm, easy flow of ending conversations while keeping the door open for more. Time to go. Gotta run. Gotta run. Promising connection. Talk soon. Talk soon. Staying close. Stay in touch. Stay in touch. Open invitation. Hit me up anytime. Hit me up anytime. Casual nudge. Shoot me a message. Shoot me a message. Relaxed farewell. Take it easy. Take it easy. Friendly wish. Have a good one. Have a good one. Safe journey. Safe travels. Safe travels. Building anticipation. Looking forward to it. Looking forward to it. Natural parting. See you around. See you around. These goodbyes feel warm, genuine, and full of connection because they're truly yours now. You've traveled so deeply tonight, dear friend. All these most common spoken phrases are now rooted gently in your heart and mind, ready to bloom effortlessly tomorrow. You'll wake up noticing, conversations feeling lighter, words appearing exactly when you need them, your English voice sounding more confident, more real, more you. This is happening. You are becoming truly, naturally fluent, peacefully, powerfully, beautifully. I'm so incredibly proud of you. Sleep deeply now, deeper than ever. Dream sweetly in English. Good night, good night, good night.